interim head coaching position, he has no hesitation, Jay, to sacrifice himself. So now it's time for Eric Navarrete. Now,
Oo.
nakukunin naman niya yung challenge na ginawa ni Reynald Salinel.
Kaya you gotta wonder after this series kung nasan na.
Pag itong Negros continues on this slump, pagdating sa break,
Yun yung obserbasyon niya na maganda nilalaro ni Eric Navarrete. The numbers.
to be benched na ikaw ang pumasok dyan sa loob. Sunod-sunod na dapat yan para sa kanya.
And could be the breakthrough that the Kings are looking for despite of that shocking attempt coming from Jolo Aspuria. Kita namin si Jolo yun.
Short side kukunin to 9.
9 ball coming up. Gapang sa gilid, papunta sa kanto, walang problema.